art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Knuckles from Sonic for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center of our page, and we're going to start with a sideways oval for the nose. Let's add in a highlight. So on the top of this, we're going to draw in another sideways oval, just blending that into that top line, and then we'll color in the rest of the nose black. Let's draw on the muzzle now. So stepping up, right in the center, we're going to curve this line down on the left. We'll start back on this line, curving this over and down on the right. Now from here, we're going to arch this line up. So we're going to curve this up, rounding that cheek out, tucking this into the middle. We'll replicate this on the right. So we're going to curve this down, up, rounding that edge out, curving this all the way over and blending this back in together in the center. Let's add in the smile now. So coming over on the left, we're going to add in a corner bracket. And then right in the center here, we're just going to curve this over and through to this middle. Now let's frame in the eyes. So coming in towards the middle, stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this around and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up and across on a diagonal. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's round out the edge of the eye, curving that down to the cheek. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well, tucking that in. Now let's add in the eyeballs. So we're going to start with a nice big oval, curving this around, tucking that up on the inside. We'll replicate this on the right, curving this over, tucking that back through to the top. Let's add in the pupil now. So another oval, curving this around, tucking that in. Now let's add in the highlight here. So we're going to draw in another oval, curving this around and through to the top. And then let's just color this in black. Let's add in some details around the eye now. So we're just going to curve this line up and over on the left, lining this up at the same height on the right, replicating that, bridging that across. Now let's add in the hair. So coming over, we're going to curve this line down beside the cheek, arching that through to the bottom. We will replicate this on the right, and we're just going to end that at the exact same height. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back around and through to the top. Now let's come underneath. We're going to start from this line here, curving this in. And then from that point, just arching that up to the chin. Now from here, moving up in the center for the top of the head, curving this around. And we're going to tuck this down to the left. And then we'll replicate that on the right, curving this over. And then we'll just tuck that down on the right. Let's continue to round this out. So starting back on this line on the left, we're going to curve this over and in. Replicating that on the opposite side. And then now from that point, just tucking that in to that line right above it to finish it off. And that is it. That's how you draw Knuckles for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.